To change the time on your fossil watch, you'll need to locate the pull-out crown, found here on the right side of the case. This crown can be pulled into 3 positions and you'll feel a click for each as you go. For this watch, I'll need to pull it into 3rd position to adjust the hour and minute hands. Keep in mind that other fossil watches may require just 1 click into the 2nd position. Once you've pulled the crown out as far as you can go, you'll be able to turn the crown away from you to add time and towards you to subtract time. As this is a multifunction watch, the 24-hour time is adjusted along with the other 2 hands. To use your fossil chronograph, which is essentially a stopwatch, you'll need to use the 2 pushes located on the case. To start your timer, make sure the crown is pushed down to its 1st position. Next, you can simply press the top pusher to begin timing on the seconds and minutes subdials. If you want to stop the time, press the top pusher again. Once paused, you can either press the top pusher to continue taking the time, or push the bottom pusher to reset your chronograph. Hopefully this guide has helped you to get your fossil watch set up and it's all ready for wear. Thanks for watching.